What are you guys, man? Welcome back to the channel. So you guys see back here, man, I got a Camaro 2SS. So right now we're about to go ahead and install a wicker bill. So we're gonna go ahead and pretty much remove this spoiler right here, and then we're gonna replace it with the one that you guys are gonna see in this video. And then we got this carbon fiber side skirts that we're gonna put on this right here along the side. This thing's gonna look good because he already got the carbon fiber on the top. He already got the diffuser, you know what I'm saying? So right now we're about to just go ahead and install this wicker bill. He is gonna get the wicker bill wrapped in carbon fiber, and don't really have to wrap the side skirts because they're already in carbon fiber. You guys just stay tuned during this video, and you guys gonna see what the side skirts look like. Without further ado, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to it. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up this trunk. And we gotta remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We gotta remove all those covers. There's screws behind this holding in this spoiler. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this first because there's some screws back here that we can't get to. So let's go ahead and get to that. These are the bolts I was telling you, well, the nuts I was telling you guys. This is a 10 millimeter. And then we have 2 10s right there, as you guys can see. And then we got another set right here that we gotta remove. Guys, if you guys can see, this is a third hole. So this is a factory spoiler. So this is where the clip goes into right here. And then this is where the other clip goes into. So you guys can see, that's why you heard that pop, because of that clip. So I'm about to go ahead and clean all this, remove all this adhesive, and wipe this trunk down and get the new one put on. Guys, I did run into a little issue, okay? So one of the holes are literally showing. And it's not a problem, but then it's a problem. So I'm about to show you guys right now. So this is where the factory bolt went for the spoiler right there. And as you guys can see, getting it lined up, we have a hole right there. Now, there's two ways to get rid of this hole. We can Bondo, sand, and then paint, or we can Bondo, fiberglass it, sand it down, smoothen it out, and wrap it. There's a lot of different ways to get rid of that hole right there. So that's our big problem right there. I'm about to call him real quick and let him know, see what he wants to do. But that's for that hole to be smooth, to make it look like nothing was there. It's gonna take a little bit more time because, like I said, it'd be fiberglass. I prefer fiberglass, and just smoothing it out, like real smooth, and either wrap it. But we'll see. I'm gonna give him a call. I came to a conclusion. Oh yeah, shout out to Extreme Online Store. This spoiler right here came with the wicker bill kit from Extreme Online Store. As you guys can see, I'm gonna let you guys see right here. EOS, Extreme Online Store parts. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get like a plug, like a grommet, and put right here, so that way we can cover that up so there was no water that gets in there, because honestly, you guys, it can be fiberglass and all that, but it's gonna get expensive, and just to cover up this spot right here, because the reason why I want to do it like that is if he wants to go back to factory for any reason, he could just remove that grommet, install that spoiler back, and it's good to go. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it like that and then get a grommet. So right now I'm about to go ahead and wipe down the glass. So we're gonna go ahead and install the louvers because I'm waiting on his response. I'll do a little test fit for you guys for this louver. Test fit. I like to test products before I actually install it. But everything seems to be lined up good. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks good. So I'm about to use that adhesion promoter that came with the kit. Yeah, so right now I'm about to go ahead and just heat up the brackets, so that way the 3M tape can stick better to the car. Because obviously if you don't heat it up, it ain't gonna stick right to the window. So just wanna take your time and do it right. All right, guys. The louver is on, so I'm about to go ahead and get ready to take off the side skirts, and I'm gonna go ahead and install this forged, well, it's not forged, excuse me, carbon fiber skirt for this Camaro. So this is fiberglass, as you guys can see. It's fiberglass material, so it is custom made. Take it out so you guys can see it. Give you guys just a little glimpse of how it look. So I'm about to go ahead and take off the old one. All right, you guys, so pretty much got the Camaro done, semi, but as I told you guys before, that there was a hole in the back, but I'm not sure. I might probably have to go to Home Depot or something and get like a little grommet to put right there. But got the louvers on, the side skirts on, and then I got the wicker bill on. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around and show you guys. Y'all ready to see what it look like? Y'all ready to see? Damn. So look, went ahead and did the side skirts right here. Got that in carbon fiber. Then we did the louvers right here. Looks good. It's a little snug. But I didn't tighten it down too much because I want the adhesive to, you know, kind of set onto the glass. But I'm gonna snug it down a little later on, so that way it's on there, but it's not going anywhere. As you guys can see, it's a little bit loose because I don't have it tightened. And then we got the wicker bill right here. You know, this is on. This is on. The only thing I'm gonna do is tint the clear, tint the acrylic, because he said he wanted it tinted, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. But this is how his car looks. It says Veteran Edition. I went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit, you know, just so I can do the video for you guys. But the hood is also wrapped in carbon. I didn't do this wrap, but I did put something on here to kind of shine it up because it was a little bit dull. I don't know if you guys can see the difference. This is also carbon fiber. So, yeah, you guys comment down below, man. You guys tell me what you think. And there's some more work to be done to this Camaro. There's some more work to be done to it. Also got the gas cap wrapped in carbon fiber. And of course, you got the American flag right here. Carbon fiber on the mirrors. Then the canards got carbon fiber. Splitter got carbon fiber. So I'll show you guys the interior. Alright. So as you guys can see, dash also has carbon fiber. This right here is also carbon fiber with the red interior. Yeah, man, this is how it looks. But I'm gonna go ahead and tint that acrylic. Show you guys what I'm talking about. So this piece right here, I'm gonna go ahead and tint. He said he wanted it dark, so I'm assuming probably like 5%. But we're gonna see how it looks. And oh yeah, you guys, we also working on this Scat Pack charger right here. You know what I'm saying? See, we got the front end fixed. About to go ahead and wrap this car all black. So it's gonna pretty much look like the top. Right here, we wrap this right here. So now we're about to go ahead and knock this car out. So we're gonna see how it looks. So you guys make sure you stay tuned for that video. But we're gonna go back to this right here. Say we got the Camaro. Got the Scat Pack, got the Stain, and we got the Charger, wide body.
The fastest to slowest, y'all. You know what I'm saying? He got a...
You want to do that?
Nah.
You want to do fastest to slowest? Fastest to slowest? Hey, keep that same energy in 2 months. Y'all hear that? Tell him keep that same energy. He gonna want to trade his car in.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna make him give up them keys, though. I'm gonna make him give up them keys. I'm gonna make his Scat Pack feel like a Honda.
Like I'm hitting the brake when we take it off.
What you gotta say, Zoe? Nothing?
Man, look, subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all already know what it is.
Subscribe to what channel? You didn't even say your name, fam.
ZoTV.tv, and you know, you gotta hit the like of Trey. You feel me? You heard?
Don't forget 392 Web, even though it's not up, it's coming soon, though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, under construction.
Yeah.
I'm trying to tell him to get that channel right, man.
Channel just like the web, under construction, yeah.